Hello and welcome to today's video where we're looking at a bubble machine. Blow bubbles while you play. Exciting. Nothing in the box. And this is where we have the batteries which go in. And if you give me a second, I shall find some kind of screwdriver to get it open with. And we also have gigantic bubble bottle. Gigantic bubble bottle? That doesn't sound right. Nope, that definitely doesn't sound right. It should be a bottle of gigantic bubbles. So we'll be able to test this when we get it open. See what kind of batteries it takes. Just put that out of the way for a second and we shall open the battery drawer and see what we actually have here. Oh no, it's not going to open, is it? And it takes 3 AA batteries. We should have some somewhere. Luckily I have some rechargeables on hand. And we'll see what it actually does when we switch it on. So it's actually blowing air out. I can feel the air coming out of there. So I think you just fill this tank with the bubble water. And it spins around while it's collecting at the bottom. So we'll have a look at this, what this is like. It's rather noisy, but And that was the bubble machine and gigantic bubble bottle as well. And if you like this video, please check back for more videos coming soon.